Most people think the diet they follow is the key to life insurance rates. But the reality is more nuanced. Underwriters care about your biomarkers, not your trendy food label. Today, we're comparing keto and vegan diets to see which actually delivers better results for life insurance. Life insurance companies use medical underwriting to assess risk. They look at LDL cholesterol, triglycerides, BMI, and A1C. Among other biomarkers, these numbers can make or break the rate you're offered. The keto diet has gained fame for rapid weight loss and improved triglycerides in some studies. High-fat, low-carb eating often reduces BMI for many diets, but it can also elevate LDL cholesterol in certain individuals. Vegan diets, on the other hand, are typically rich in fiber, antioxidants, and plant-based fats. They often show lower LDL and total cholesterol, yet some vegans struggle with higher triglycerides if they rely heavily on processed carbs. Underwriting isn't about being vegan or keto, it's about how your body responds. A well-formulated keto diet can deliver excellent biomarkers, just as a carefully balanced vegan diet can. The key is results, not labels. BMI is one of the simplest indicators underwriters check. Both diet types can help manage weight if followed consistently. Maintaining a healthy BMI often leads to the most favorable life insurance offers. Blood sugar and A1C are next. Keto may lower fasting glucose for many, but some individuals experience fluctuations. Vegan diets rich in whole foods and low in refined carbs also show improvements in A1C. Triglycerides behave differently depending on macronutrient composition. Keto can significantly lower triglycerides if carbs are restricted effectively. Vegans see benefits when sugar and refined carbs are minimized. LDL cholesterol is often the deciding factor. Some keto followers experience elevated LDL, which may raise insurance risk. Vegans often have lower LDL but sometimes higher triglycerides, showing no diet is perfect. Life insurance underwriters focus on the composite picture. They weigh LDL triglycerides, BMI, and A1C together. Strong results in all categories are the ultimate goal. Consistency matters more than diet philosophy. One off-plan day won't change underwriting, but patterns over months will. That's why lifestyle and adherence are more important than keto versus vegan labels. Some studies show hybrid approaches like plant-based keto or flexitarian diets can optimize by across the board. Combining strategies may produce lower BMI, LDL, and triglycerides simultaneously. Insurance underwriters reward those numbers, regardless of the label. It's also important to consider other risk factors. Blood pressure, family history, and lifestyle habits play major roles. Diet alone doesn't guarantee the best rates, but it strongly influences the biomarkers that do. If you're serious about getting the lowest life insurance rates, focus on measurable outcomes. Track your BMI, LDL, triglycerides, and A1C. These are the numbers underwriters notice first. A high-fat keto diet may not work for everyone. Genetics, metabolic flexibility, and adherence all matter. Similarly, vegan diets require careful planning to avoid nutrient imbalances that could impact bio. Regular lab work is your best friend. Seeing how your body responds allows for life insurance applications are about hard data, not Instagram aesthetics. Sleep, stress, and activity levels amplify dietary effects. Active individuals with a balanced diet often show improved biomarkers faster. Underwriters like to see overall healthy patterns. Supplements can help fill nutrient gaps. Omega-3 South, vitamin D, and B12 are important depending on the diet. Correcting deficiencies can improve underwriting outcomes. Hydration, fiber intake, and alcohol consumption also influence lipid and sugar profiles. Even minor lifestyle factors can shift insurance results. Underwriters see the sum of your habits. A well-managed vegan diet can lower LDL significantly and improve BMI. Keto can reduce triglycerides and stabilize blood sugar. Both can deliver excellent results if done responsibly. Insurance isn't about perfection, it's about optimal risk markers. Underwriters reward measurable improvements. Focus on outcomes. Not labels. For weight management, both diets show strong potential. Keto often produces rapid short-term weight loss. Vegan diets support sustainable long-term weight maintenance. Cardiovascular risk markers are key. LDL and triglycerides directly influence your perceived mortality risk. Optimizing these markers benefits your insurance rates. Blood sugar and A1C are critical for life expectancy calculations. Both diets can improve insulin sensitivity when properly managed. Reducing A1C often leads to lower premiums. Underwriting looks for trends, not single readings. Consistency over months matters most. Your results speak louder than your diet philosophy. Hybrid diets may offer the best of both worlds. A low-carb plant-based diet can optimize LDL, triglycerides, BMI, and A1C. Underwriters reward balanced biomarker outcomes above all else. Lifestyle habits complement diet. Regular exercise, stress management, and sleep hygiene improve the same metrics insurers watch. Optimal health is the sum of multiple factors. Insurance applicants often ask which diet is better. The answer is nuanced. It depends on your body, genetics, and adherence. The best diet is the one that produces the healthiest markers for you. Regular lab checkups before applying are smart. This allows for targeted improvements in Data-driven changes are what lead to lower premiums. Avoiding processed foods benefits any diet plan. Processed sugars and unhealthy fats elevate triglycerides and LDL. Minimizing them can improve your underwriting results regardless of diet label. Meal consistency matters. Sudden spikes in sugar, carb overload, or excessive fat intake can temporarily worsen consistency ensures underwriters see steady, favorable numbers. Hydration, fiber, and micronutrients affect cholesterol and blood sugar. Keto followers must monitor electrolytes and plant intake. Vegans must ensure sufficient protein, iron, and B12. Body composition matters as much as weight. Lean mass, body fat percentage, and waist circumference all influence insurance risk. Proper diet and exercise help optimize these measures. Insurances ultimately underwriters care about numbers, not social media trends. Your diet is only valuable if it improves those numbers. Keto diets can improve triglycerides and BMI quickly. Vegan diets tend to lower LDL and support heart health. Both diets can yield excellent life insurance outcomes if monitored correctly. Your goal is measurable biomarkers. Track LDL, triglycerides, BMI, and A1C regularly. Show consistent improvements before applying for coverage. Premium savings come from optimized health markers. Lower risk equals lower rates. That's why diet results matter more than diet labels. Genetics play a role too. Some people respond better to plant-based diets, others to low-carb keto. The right approach is individual. Long-term adherence beats short-term trends. A few weeks of dieting before a medical exam won't guarantee lower premiums. Sustained results are what underwriters reward. Stress reduction supports biomarker improvement. Cortisol and inflammation affect cholesterol and blood sugar. Combining diet with stress management optimizes results. Exercise amplifies dietary benefits. Cardiovascular fitness and strength training improve BMI and blood pressure. These lifestyle factors further reduce insurance risk. Hydration supports metabolism and lipid transport. Both diets require adequate water intake. Simple habits like this can subtly improve insurance markers. Meal timing and portion control influence fasting, glucose, and triglycerides. Even a perfectly planned diet can falter without attention to quantity. Underwriters indirectly reward overall metabolic control. The final takeaway: life insurance rates are determined by results, not labels. Keto, vegan, or hybrid. What matters is your biomarker profile. Focus on LDL triglycerides, BMI, and A1C for the best underwriting outcome. Sustainable, Measurable improvements in these metrics lead to lower premiums. The diet you follow is secondary to the outcomes it produces. Results are the true currency in life insurance underwriting. Applying for life insurance should be strategic. Track your biomarkers, make targeted dietary adjustments, and consult professionals if needed. Data-driven health wins over trendy labels every time. Your next step: pick the diet that works for your body, monitor results, and optimize health markers before your medical exam. That's how you secure the best possible life insurance rate.